everyone, welcome to the Hessan Knowledge channel again. Today I will introduce the third and the fourth dust cleaning machine. Let's take a look at the third dust cleaning machine is our powerful dust roller. See, two very super big suction inlet, and with the power is 1.5 kilowatts. And its function is to prevent the dust from entering the dust below. Okay, let's take a look how powerful it is. Now we move to the fourth and the last sticking loader. And as you can see, it's very simple, but it's very effective. And it's faster to clean the micro dust. As you can see, this sticking loader has about 200 pieces of cleaning film. And after sticking about 70 pieces of panels, we need to piece down 1 piece of this protective film. And it's very easy for workers to see the films. It's all about for our Hessan dust cleaning machine. For more information about our machines, please get in touch for our Hessan Knowledge channel.